Good morning, friends. I'm here in Lakeland, Florida with the Vantasy. Here at my friend's shop. First choice, I always forget the name. My buddy Froggy. He's gonna take care of the van for me today. Get new ball joints. I looked this up on YouTube because I wanted to do it myself, save a little money, but that is not gonna happen. It's not a job for the parking lot of the marina. It's definitely a job for a professional, so I'm gonna let little Froggy take over. Jake is being very kind and letting me look over his shoulder at all this work to get some footage. Although this is not an instructional video, it's still kind of cool to see how the ball joints get repaired, huh? There's one of the old ball joints right there. Man, it was just as easy as that, see? Well, as I'm here in the shop and just kind of watching my friend's work, I saw something interesting. One of the guys says he hangs this on his truck. It fell off another guy's truck on the road, and he procured it. It's got to weigh 40 or 50 pounds. Awesome. Every van or truck owner should have a clevis that size. Ball joint number 2. See, friends, this is why I like hiring people to do the work on my Vantasy. Clean hands. Well, fellas, thanks for working on the van today. This is Jake, and this is Froggy. Froggy, I got a question for you.
Yes, sir.
Why do they call you Froggy?
Have you heard my voice and seen the Little Rascals?
Answered. Well, guys, if you're in the Lakeland area, if you're anywhere in Central Florida, First Choice Auto is where you want to take your car. That's where I take the Vantasy, besides my friend Jeremy, who you all know, these are the guys I trust. So, what kind of work do you do here? Do you do about everything?
Anything but transmission work.
Anything but transmissions. Cool. Well, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it.
All right, I guess.
You know, I would say your work is fantastic. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
Well, thanks for watching today, friends. I appreciate it. I landed here in Orlando at the Kite Shop, Kite Man Productions, where I have some of my tools, and it's a good place to work. In case you're wondering, this is the ball joint. This is what came off of the Vantasy. There's not much to it. And I thought it'd be bigger or different than this, but I guess it just wears out and breaks over time, but that's it. Well, if you like what you're seeing here, hit like. Let me know that you're out there. Hit subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and that way you will find out the very instant that I post a video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video tomorrow. See you, friends.